Here are today's e-commerce updates every seller needs to know. Breaking news. Worldwide strikes have erupted across more than 30 countries as part of the Make Amazon Pay movement. Expect delivery delays, fulfillment bottlenecks, and slower Amazon support throughout Black Friday weekend. In the US, Amazon has closed its LIT1 warehouse in Arkansas indefinitely due to structural failures. Some sellers' inventory is stuck, and Amazon is issuing refunds for storage fees. Check your inventory ledger and send replenishment to alternate fulfillment centers. Across logistics, manufacturing, and food processing, more than 11,000 workers have been laid off in the last 5 weeks. This increases the risk of slower restocks, freight delays, and Q1 shortages. Consumer behavior is shifting. A Lightspeed study shows 84% of shoppers believe retailers inflate prices before Black Friday. Gen Z regret rates are rising, and returns are expected to spike. Transparency now outperforms deep discounts. Seller tip of the day. Make trust your primary Black Friday strategy. Clear pricing, honest comparisons, real value. This reduces returns and boosts repeat customers. Trend of the day. Instagram's fake apology ads are everywhere, but engagement is dropping fast. Use humor lightly and avoid overusing the trend. Thanks for watching. Follow for daily e-commerce updates, powered by Quixess. Sell more with less.